Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, let's dive into a basic tutorial on using the Gmail API with Python. This tutorial assumes you have some knowledge of Python and the Google Cloud Platform. Create a project on Google Cloud Console. Enable Gmail API. Create credentials. Open your terminal and install the necessary libraries. Now, let's create a Python script, gmail_API_example.py, to fetch the user's Gmail labels. Replace path/to/your/credentials.json with the path to the downloaded JSON credentials file. Execute the script in your terminal. The script will prompt you to authorize access to your Gmail account. Once authorized, it will print a list of your Gmail labels. This is a basic example, and you can explore the official Gmail API documentation for more advanced features and functionalities. ChatGPT.